Hello everyone, you are watching TechDim. So today we're going to be talking about screen flickering. What is screen flickering? It is one of the most common problems with screens. When a screen of a device flickers, you are unable to see the contents from the screen properly. So make sure it doesn't flicker. Mainly, the visible changes in brightness on the screen is known as screen flickering. Mainly, the change in the brightness occurs between the frames of the cathode ray tube. Usually a refresh rate of around 60 Hz causes screen flickering, but it reduces with the increased refresh rate. Mostly around 70 to 80 Hz, there is a flicker-free screen, but the refresh rate above 120 Hz limits the reduction of flickering. In some monitors, the refresh rates can be changed according to the need. So guys, if you have screen flickering problem, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's get to our computer. First, we're going to go to display settings here. So after going to display settings, we are going to scroll down and go to advanced display settings, and after going to advanced display settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit more, and then we have refresh rate option. But if your monitor is limited to 60 Hz refresh rate, then you will not be able to increase this setting. In this case, you will need to do something else in order to assure that your screen is not flickering. So what we should do is right click on the Windows icon here and then go to Device Manager. After the device manager pops up, we're going to have to update the driver of display. As you can see, we have display driver here, so we're going to select scan for hardware changes, and then we are going to select update driver and scan automatically for drivers, and make sure you have Wi-Fi for it because the driver scan is performed online. So after that, we'll just close this setting, and then we're going to go to monitor settings, and then we are going to update driver of the monitor. And also we're gonna search online for automatic drivers. So guys, as you can see, the best driver for my device is already installed here. So I'm just gonna close this window now because there's nothing else to update here. So make sure to increase your refresh rate. But if your refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz, then you should update your graphics driver and your monitor driver. Then you might have a flicker-free screen. So guys, if you found these methods helpful and your problem is solved, then please do leave a thumbs up. And if you still face any problems, then let us know down below in the comment section. And until we meet again next time, goodbye.